A Dane County judge's ruling on Monday striking down Wisconsin's Act 10 collective bargaining law is garnering major reactions across the state. Our political reporter Darielle Fair has you covered on how an attorney at a conservative law firm says it would have ripple effects across Wisconsin.
Republican lawmakers in the legislature have already filed a notice of appeal to overturn a Dane County Circuit Court judge's ruling set to restore collective bargaining powers to public employees. No hearings on the appeal have been scheduled at this time, but the case will likely be considered by the Wisconsin Supreme Court. Liberal justices make up the court's majority 4-3, but Justice Janet Protasewicz has floated the possibility of recusing herself in this case. And Justice Ann Walsh Bradley is not seeking re-election. The next state Supreme Court election is in April. If the court upholds that Act 10 is unconstitutional, it could have rippling effects across Wisconsin.
For school districts, we found that the financial impact would be about $1.6 billion per year across the state. And then for local employers, it'd be about $480 million across the year. So we're looking at just over $2 billion a year in financial impacts around Wisconsin. And then of course, to deal with those financial impacts, there would be all kinds of practical impacts, both in our schools and in local governments, whether it's reduced personnel or loss of services, increased class sizes.
This week on Capital City Sunday at 9 a.m., I'll be sitting down with Deputy Counsel for the Wisconsin Institute of Law and Liberty to break down how the current composition of the court and a looming election next April could potentially impact the outcome of the Supreme Court's decision.